Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create tags in ClickUp, and it will be complete updated video for you guys. So let's dive into the main topic. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our ClickUp platform. So here if you want to create a tag, how you can do it. This is the easiest way to create a tag we have. So you just need to go over here into the tag or into the to-do list, whatever you want. You can go, and here once you hover it, you will find out three options next to the name, that is add subtags, add or edit tags, and then next one is rename. So I will click over here edit text, and here I will search, or I can allow to create a new tag. So I will give a tag name by my name, so I will provide the name and then I will hit enter, and here actually you can see our tag already been added. So similarly you can add this tag how many you want to here. So this is the easiest way to add or create a new tag in ClickUp. So I hope this video was helpful and you know something new which you never know. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.